Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring the Rs3 Mini has sufficient power and sits perfectly level. This matters because sensors need a neutral baseline. Once done, remove any camera or heavy accessories and unlock the gimbal motor so axes move freely. Make sure you access calibration from the main menu or the app. Choosing the right mode triggers the automated sequence. You'll hear motor adjustments and slight movements. That's normal. Stay nearby to halt if anything binds or the unit vibrates excessively. Now run the axis calibrations in order. Roll, tilt, then pan because each builds on the prior reference frame. Begin the roll sequence and allow the gimbal to sweep without interference. If you touch it, you corrupt the calibration. Once roll finishes, continue to tilt and pan, observing on-screen progress and messages. If the app asks to recenter or to retry an axis, follow those prompts, they correct misreads. This orderly approach ensures the IMU and motors align for smooth stabilization. Finish by balancing your payload precisely and running any IMU or auto-calibration routines the app offers. Balance reduces motor load and improves longevity. Once complete, test with deliberate slow pans and tilts and a short walk. Listen for unusual motor noise and watch for drift or jitter. If you see problems, retry the full calibration on a perfectly level surface, ensure firmware is current, and repeat checks. A single key troubleshooting tip. If one axis fails repeatedly, power cycle and recalibrate that axis alone before adding complexity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.